Can you say this simple word correctly? It's pronounced
estrogen.
Let's break it down.
This word is often mispronounced. The correct way is estrogen. Start with S, then tro, and finish with a soft gen. Together, estrogen. Not estrogen, but smooth and simple. Estrogen. Now let's practice it 3 times together. Ready? Estrogen. 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 If you said it clearly all 3 times, you just pronounced a word that plays a huge role in health like a pro.
Got it? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me.
Estrogen. 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 Estrogen.
Now it's your turn. Drop a comment if you nailed it or if you need more tips. Subscribe for more pronunciation guides. And here's a fun challenge. Record yourself, post it, and tag us.